Stress doesn't mean you're weak. It means your mind is reacting faster than your judgment. Most people try to calm stress by escaping it. The Stoics train something far more powerful. They train control under pressure. If stress has been making you reactive, overwhelmed, or mentally exhausted, this isn't about relaxing more, it's about building a steadier mind. If you're working toward emotional control and calm strength, stay with me. Why stress feels so constant today? Modern stress is relentless because it's unfinished. Your body evolved to handle danger, not constant alerts, expectations, and mental noise. You don't finish stress anymore. You carry it. Emails linger. Conversations replay. Future problems are rehearsed before they exist. The Stoics recognize this early. The mind suffers more from interpretation than from events. Stress grows when thoughts are left unchecked. The core Stoic insight about anxiety. Anxiety isn't fear of the present. It's fear of imagined futures. The Stoics train themselves to return to what is real, now. Not. What if this goes wrong? What is actually happening in this moment? When you remove imagined futures, most anxiety loses its fuel. Clarity reduces stress faster than comfort ever will. Stoic practice number 1, narrow the field of control. Epictetus taught that peace begins with accuracy. You are not stressed because life is hard. You're stressed because you're mentally carrying things you don't control. Outcomes, other people, timing. Stoics cut the field smaller. They focused only on their judgment, their effort, their response. Ask yourself under pressure, what is actually required of me right now? That question steadies the mind immediately. Stoic practice number 2, stop arguing with reality. Much stress comes from resistance. I shouldn't feel this way. This shouldn't be happening. This shouldn't be this hard. Stoics remove the word should. They dealt with what is, not what they wished existed. Acceptance is not weakness. It's the starting point of intelligent action. When resistance drops, energy returns. Here's where most people misunderstand Stoicism. They think Stoics suppress emotion. They don't. Stoics observe emotion without surrendering control to it. That distinction changes everything. Stoic practice number 3, train the nervous system, not just the mind. Stoics understood something modern psychology confirms. Confidence comes from exposure, not avoidance. They practice small, controlled discomforts. Silence. Cold. Restraint? Not to suffer, but to prove to themselves, I can handle discomfort without panic. Stress weakens when your nervous system trusts you. Stoic practice number 4, control the inner commentary. Marcus Aurelius warned himself daily. You don't have to turn this into something. Stress intensifies when the inner voice dramatizes. Stoics spoke internally with fewer words, less emotion, more precision. Your inner voice should sound like a calm mentor, not a panic narrator. That alone lowers anxiety. Stoic practice number 5, create mental closure each day. Unfinished thoughts create chronic stress. Stoics close the day intentionally. They asked, what drained me unnecessarily? What did I handle with discipline? What deserves adjustment tomorrow? This prevents stress from stacking endlessly. Order restores calm. What Stoic calm really looks like. Stoic calm is not passive. It's composed readiness. It's the ability to feel pressure without letting it decide your behavior. Stress doesn't vanish, but it stops controlling you. That is strength. You don't need to escape stress. You need a mind trained to face it without collapse. Stoicism isn't about numbing emotion. It's about governing it. One clear judgment at a time. One controlled response at a time. That's how calm becomes reliable, even when life isn't. If this helped you feel steadier and more capable, subscribe. And watch my other videos on the channel. We go deeper into Stoic emotional control and calm strength.